So hey there, welcome back to another video of Bravo Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about what is the difference between Slack and Array. It's like Stack and Array. So I'll just copy this thing. So a stack follows a last in first out leaf pattern. What this means is that data access necessarily follows a particular sequence where the last data to be stored is the first one that will be execute extracted. Array, on the other hand, arrays do not follow a specific order, but instead they can be accessed or called by referring to the indexed element within the array. 18th one is which sorting algorithm is the best. There are many ways, many types of sorting algorithms: bubble sort, quick sort, balloon sort, merge sort, radix sort, and more. No algorithm can be considered as the best or fastest because they have designed each for a specific type of data structure where it performs the best. 19th one is how does variable declaration affect memory? The amount of memory that is used to be reversed or allocated depends on the data type being stored in that variable. For example, if a variable is declared to be an integer value, the bits of memory storage will then be reversed for the particular variable. 20th one is what are dynamic data structures. So dynamic data structures have the feature where they expand contract as an image. The image can be manipulated. These don't go interview questions that test the conceptual understanding of the candidates, give the interview a clear idea on how much strong the candidates fundamentals are. Programming interview questions. The next set of coding interview questions focus test the programming expertise of the candidate and dives deep into various related ports. The code screenshots give along with given along with the below library interview questions must have to answer. So the next one is how do you reverse a string in Java? Here are some of the steps to develop a string to put out the length of that to put out the length of the string, then loop through the characteristic of the string, and then add the characteristic to somewhere in order to the new value. So the next thing is how do you determine if a string is palindrome or not? So a string is a palindrome when it says the same or reversing the order of characteristic is the same thing. It can be achieved by revising the algorithm, string, drive, and and then checking if the personal is reasonable and not. So the next one is find the number of occurrences of a character in a string. Find the it's like power consequences loop through the string and search for that character at a very iteration. Whenever it is found, it will update the count. Then 24, how to find out if the given two strings are anagrams or not. Two strings are anagrams if they contain a similar group of characteristics in a varied sequence. This declare a boolean variable that tells at the end of the two strings are anagrams or not. First, check if the length of both strings is the same. If they are not, cannot if they cannot be anagrams, convert both the strings into character arrays and then sort them. Check if the sorted arrays are equal. If they are equal, print anagrams. Consider and not only anagrams boolean results or an argument false. If a string dot length is a function equal to it's like so else you can have a look at that particular code, and then we'll go for how do you calculate the number of overs and containing into a string. Loop through the string, so increases the. So that was all for this particular video. Hope you have learned a lot from that, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.